and tissue healing. Moreover, win-back energy blocks pain-related nerve impulses, which induces the immediate and permanent analgesic effect. Win-back energy is compatible with all chronic and acute conditions. In this area, treatment provides visible results as early as the first session. Each electrode alternately emits win-back energy, offering you a focused and fast treatment on a closely targeted as well as unreachable conditions.
Shock waves are used to reduce inflammation, reduce fibrotic tissue and stimulate tissue healing. Shock waves have biological effects on tissue repair. A sequence of high-energy sound mechanical pulses is performed at the injury site. This energy penetrates the injured tissue and causes an analgesic effect. By intense local stimulation, releasing enzymes that act in pain. A mechanical action forms microbubbles that fragment local fibrosis. Shock waves can be used to treat joint pains, such as tendinitis and epicondylitis, on shoulders, elbows and knees. It is widely used in the treatment of plantar fasciitis and foot pain. And it can also be used to treat muscle pain. Shockwave therapy is one of the latest technologies in sports medicine.
Lasers operating in the near-infrared spectrum from 650 to 1300 nanometers can penetrate to deep tissue structures. Light that penetrates into the tissue can be absorbed by melanin, hemoglobin, oxyhemoglobin, and water.
Another medical effect caused by the BTL superinductive system is joint mobilization, which occurs due to repetitive muscle contractions in the articular capsule area. The contractions cause a slight shift of the joint surface against each other and as a result release the blockage and restore joint plane. Muscle contractions are used in the strengthening of weakened muscles and muscle groups and in preventing muscle atrophy. The contractions are achieved by stimulating the neuromuscular tissue. The therapy is contactless and it's therefore easy to treat various body parts.